In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a transparent background in Adobe Express using its built-in Remove Background Quick Edit. To get started, open Adobe Express. On the main screen, look for the Quick Edit section. This area gives you fast tools for common image changes without needing to build a full design first. Find and select Remove Background. If it isn't visible right away, click View All to see the full list of quick edits. Then choose Remove Background. Your computer's file browser will open next. Locate the image you want to edit, select it, and click Open. You can also press Enter after selecting the file. Quick side note, for more straightforward Adobe Express tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Adobe Express will now open a small window with a progress loader while it detects and removes the image background. Once processing is complete, you'll see your subject separated from its original background. At this point, Adobe Express may show you options to add a new background. You can choose one if you want to replace the original background and then wait for it to apply. But if your goal is to keep the background transparent, simply leave it removed. When you're happy with the result, click Download to save the image, or choose Open in Editor if you want to make further edits before exporting. And that's it. You've removed the background from your image in Adobe Express.